A lot of offers, a lot of money to make, so let's go and do it. So first of all, just take a look at the sheer number of these offers. So there are like thousands of these offers, but they have one thing in common. First of all, they pay a lot of money, and second of all, they're all in French. So you can't say right now, well, I don't know any French. Well, that is exactly why we are going to use Google Translate. We're going to go with French language, and we're going to discover what all of these mean and how we can make money with them. First of all, the website that is going to give us the money is called cpagrip.com, and this website is a really popular one. CPA Grip has a lot of these CPA offers, and if you don't know what CPA stands for, it's cost per action. So that means whenever someone does certain action, you get paid for it, okay? It's an online world, everything is possible. CPA Grip is a pretty popular thing, as I've already said. You can see on cpagrip.com on SimilarWeb that it has 1.8 million total visits each month, and that is a constant number, okay? There was a recent dip in February, but that is because February has only 28 days. So this is a really popular one, and all of these people are coming to make money because you can't go on CPA Grip to buy something. All of these guys and girls, they're making money. So what do you have to do on CPA Grip first? You have to register, of course. I won't waste your time with it, but this is important. You have to select GPT, and all of this other information, well, it's your choice. Now, when you log in inside of this one, first of all, you will see that this dashboard can be a bit confusing. There's a lot of information, but first of all, check out this chat window where a lot of people can give you a lot of help. And of course, there is a system message which is telling us how much money certain people are making. So you can see this Filmari has got $101 today. For example, this person has made $464 all time, and you've got a lot of this information. Of course, this is what you're not going to get at first. This needs a lot more time, but you can see that it is actually possible. So what do you have to do? First of all, click on the offer tools here and then click on the My Offers. When you get inside, you will firstly get your own country, and you can see that, for example, for the United States, there are some offers. But if you just click here on country and if you just tap in France, you will get a lot more of these offers. And I've already shown you this. There's a lot of offers for the France because I don't know how or why, but they just got plenty of these. If I just scroll down all the way to the bottom and if I click on the second page, there's even more. So it's crazy really how much of these offers are available for the France, So right now I'm going to show you how you can find out what these offers are. And of course, we're going to use the most easiest ones. In order to do that, you can just click on the category here, and then you can just use these email zip submits. Now, email zip submits requires people to just enter their zip code or email. So that's why it's called email or zip submit. So they just need to submit their email address. So they will enter in their email address in order to win something for free, and you are going to get a certain amount of money for those signups only. So the thing with this one is, for example, you will get, you will get 70 cents just for people signing up on this offer. For example, this one will give you $1 for each one of those signups, and that is sweet. You know why? Because people don't have to buy anything at all, okay? So that's not going to be a hard thing to achieve. You just have to find the traffic for it, and people will just luckily go and they will happily enter their email address because they can win something for free, okay? Everybody likes that. Everyone wants to get something for free. So I don't know, this offer, I don't even know what this means, okay? But you can find out using Google Translate, or for example this one. If I just take this one, I will just copy this title. I will just copy that into my clipboard. I will go to Google Translate, of course. I will paste this one, and then I'm gonna see that you can take 500 euros, okay? Google Translate is not always good, but you can just take it from the concept that it is an offer in which people can compete in the lottery to take 500 euros. That's nearly $500. It is similar. So this means that whenever people click on your link and they submit their email address and this name, some information of their own, you are going to get 70 cents for each one of those. So just try to imagine how many of those people are going to do that simply because it's for free. It's for free. They don't have to pay anything. They don't have to submit their credit card information, nothing of that sort. They just have to compete with their email address. That is why this is so profitable, okay? That is why a lot of people are making money this way. Now, this is what you have to do in order to research what is the best place in order to attract French people. So, I have did this. Best French social media platform. And you can see that there was a research that Facebook.com was the most visited social media platform in March 2023. So you can use Facebook.com and you can find those groups, you know? So let's just say that I went over to Facebook.com and I want to find certain French group. What I can do with Google Translate once more, I can just now switch this, and now I want to take something which is like gift card or giveaway or sweepstakes, you know? So let's just say I type in giveaway, okay? Giveaway, I type that in, and I'm going to get a French word for it. I'm just going to copy this word. I'm going to go back to Facebook. I'm going to search for that keyword, and I'm going to hit enter. And then I'm going to go over to groups, okay? So these groups are full of people who want to get that, okay? So, I don't know, for example, let's take this group which has a lot of members. This one has 9,000 members, but you can, of course, find a lot more of these, okay? If you don't find a lot with this keyword, just try another one. You can try the word free, for example, and you will just search for something like that. You can see down there, free of charge, gratis, and then you can find a lot more of these groups which are related to that. So let's say that I have found a certain group, I have did my research, and I have found this group which is full of people. So it's 26,000 members in this group. So now what I can do is I can go over to Canva and I can create a certain picture based on this offer. So we know that it involves some cash for free. Well, I can create certain social media posts. I can just create Facebook post landscape because that's a social media platform that I want. And now I can just type in something like money, you know, certain template on Canva. Canva is for free. You don't have to pay for it. You've got a lot of these like free templates which you can use. So what you can now get is you just have to search for something which is related to that offer. Okay, so let's say that I have found, I don't know, for example, this one looks good, and you can just recreate the text that is inside of this. So this giveaway you can replace with the French word for it. And of course, you can always use the title in there. So you can just always use the title, which is already on CPA Grip offer, copy that, and then just add a bit of a text inside of this template, which is going to say exactly that. So you can just now recreate this. You can, of course, change the font. It is important that people know that something is in the link down there, okay? So once more, you can just click on Google Translate, click on link below, and of course, you're just going to copy the French word for it. You are going to do it on Canva once more. You're going to change the font, of course. Don't leave it like this. Just be a bit creative so people can actually see this. And then you will just share this on Facebook. When you're done with this one, click on the share button and then click on the download button. And that's it. Click on here. And then it is ready for this group on Facebook.com. Of course, there's a lot of these other countries that you can use in order to get the money this way. And of course, as we've already seen, there's a lot of offers on CPA Grip as well. So you can just do this constantly. The more of these offers you put out there, the more chances you've got, you know? That's how it works.